This is the Garden Village Guesthouse review, Siem, Cambodia. Let's dive in. All right, guys, let's go into room 27 here. This is a shared dorm room, and it starts at just $7 a night in the high season. I think you could probably get a little less in the off season, but let's go inside and check it out, what you get for your value. Starting at just $7 a night, we're gonna go all the way up to the top floor. Now, just for a quick side note, right now the suite, the poolside suites are fully booked, so I was unable to show you those today, but we're gonna show you everything else and every other room from every budget for somebody here. Let's go check out this review. All right, let's check it out. Oh my goodness, yeah. Dorm style for those of you guys that are slow traveling on a budget. You sleep up to 6, all right? You get your own personal locker. It does have air conditioning, all right? And there's a back door to the back alley in case you wanna exit out the back. A nice work desk for those of you nomads out there. Very basic, and it's a shared shower and toilet combination, hot water included, so. All right, let's go check out some more rooms. Room R126, this starts at $15 a night, give or take on the season. Like I said, at the time of filming, that was the current rate. It can be cheaper, it can be more, depending on demand. Let's go inside and check it out. All right. This is a 2-bedroom, all right? This is aircon, very basic, but like I said, for the value, for those of you that want value, it's a great value. Mona Travels loves this place. I come here for coffee every morning. And like I said, it's even the food is very inexpensive. It's a one-stop shop, hot water, toilet, and air conditioning. And I believe this one has a balcony. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? All right, for those of you guys on a budget, this is the private room, fan only. It's not a dorm room. It is $7 a night. However, you have a shared bathroom, which is actually pretty common right here in Cambodia. But let's go inside and show you what you get for $7 a night. All right, this is room R175, and this is a $7 basic room. Of course, you get the toilet paper, a nice sitting desk. Wi-Fi is free here, which is kind of nice. Like I said, very basic, literally a place to sleep, lay your head. But for $7 a night, you can't go wrong. Now let's go down the end of the hallway, and I'll show you the bathroom that you get to use, both man and woman. In Cambodia, they're traditional still, unlike the American that's gone crazy. This is for the man, very basic, not even hot water. So for $7, that's a value. And I think if you stay longer, you can certainly get more of a discount, okay? And same thing. So this is very basic, very similar on the same man and woman. All right. And then of course you got a nice little outdoor sink. The nice thing about this is right there at the pool, that's very close. All right, I'm just outside the pool. If you guys look over here, and these are the pool villas. Now these start at $15 a night, and they do have aircon, and they do have your own private bathroom and private bed. So for just 15 bucks, let's go inside and see what your value is. All right, this is room 333-333, and you got a nice little place to hang your clothes, nice work desk. And there's the air conditioning, which I feel it's on, it's ice cold. 2 table lamps on the end for reading at night. I like the natural wood additions they added there. And let's go in the bathroom and see what that looks like. It has hot water, very nice, very basic. Full toilet, bum gun. And there's your hot water with the rain shower head. All right, let's go check out some more rooms. All right, this one here is the higher end. It is starting about $20 a night, give or take on the season. Let's go inside and see what you get. This is room 2. All right. Immediately as you walk in, we got the toilet. It has actually in-house hot water. And they do have hot water, so that's kind of nice. And then a nice big towel rack. And then we've got a mini fridge in this one here. A nice wardrobe closet, which is kind of cool. Place to hang your clothes. And a work desk, of course. And it's got a TV and air conditioning, and of course you get 2 beds. And this is right by the pool, and this actually walks out to Saksan Road. I can walk out there and show you guys real quick. If you walk out here, Saksan Road is right here. So either way you go, you've got some great options here for conveniences, all right? Let's go check out some more of this place. All right, next we got room 3, all right? And this is $18 a night. This is great for one person. Let's go inside and see what you get. All right. Very similar to the other room here. We've got ourselves a wardrobe closet, all right? A little tissue there. Air conditioning as well, and a bed. Now, the nice thing about this is private, so you do get an air conditioned room in it for $18 a night. You cannot go wrong for the price. This is your hot water shower, and of course, a place to get ready. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. I answer all your comments, and I would love to hear some feedback from you guys as far as what your thoughts are on this place. Would you stay here? All right, we got bartender Owen here too. She works the pool bar, and she'll always take great care of you. Every day they got 50-cent draft beers and half off cocktails. What's more better than that, especially come the evening time? Let's go check out the pool area. They've got some really nice places to sit here, whether it be a group, Cambodian style, which I love, just chilling out, hanging out, doing Cambodian things. Nice tables, you got some bench areas here. And let's go check out this volleyball court. It's kind of active right now. It's very big in Cambodia, all the volleyball. I think there's gonna be some Olympiads coming out of Cambodia soon. Sister Brothers doing a great job out there, yeah. And then over here, we've got yet another court for those of you guys that are enjoying the volleyball. All right, let's go check out the pool. They've also got a lot of different type of board games out here you guys can play. This is really geared for the kind of backpacker crowd. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I will go over the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. All right, some more nice sitting areas right here. Let's get some shots of this pool here. Oh, very refreshing. Yeah, nice and cool. Great for this hot Cambodian weather. Wow. And of course, some nice loungers to relax in. Let's go up those stairs and see what's up there. This is the upstairs here above the pool bar. And it's got a nice little view. Looks like they do some massage here. And like I said, you got a nice shot of the pool right down below. Isn't that beautiful? And a nice lush jungle setting. We got a nice little pool bar area here. They'll just bring you down to cocktails. Just sit here, relax, and enjoy the nice cool water. What's better than that? Just to give you guys some ideas on prices here, okay? They've got various things here, all right? Amok rice, lak rice, burger and fries, $4.50. Come on, 2-for-1 cocktails, 2 to 9, happy hour. What I love about this place is its vibe. For those of you in America like me who grew up in the 70s and 80s, we went to summer camp. It's kind of got that summer camp vibe to where you just want to just relax and never go home. And that's kind of how I got to Cambodia. I just came here and just never left. Of course, I did things legally, but yeah, it's you just can't help but fall in love with this country. If you guys are liking the video so far, hit that like button and please show some love on the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm a very fast growing channel. All I do is Cambodia, expat life, and your holiday life right here in Cambodia. Let's go check out this restaurant. One of my favorite places to eat, and I come here a lot. Food's cheap, and the Savory Show and I, we enjoy this place for our morning coffee. And if you ever see us here, feel free to stop by and say hi, or not shy. This place is huge, it's vast, and what I like about it, it is centrally located. Lots of parking for those of you guys that hire a motorbike, okay? And they've even got some laundry facilities here for those of you that need to do your laundry. You can have it done. All right, guys, this is where you're gonna check in right here. As soon as you get here, they're gonna greet you with a warm smile and the friendly Cambodian atmosphere that you know Cambodia is best for. This is the nice waiting area here. Also a great dining area if you have a large group, like a family. Owen's doing a great job over here making sure all that food is beautiful. Yeah, doing a great job, Owen, yeah. All right, this is going to be your seating area here, guys, the restaurant area. This is where you will get your main meal. Most things on the menu run about $2, $2.50, including some of your Western stuff here, and they do some great job here cooking. Let's go check it out. All right, when you guys are looking for some great coffee, come on down, say hello to Owen. She's whipping up the best coffee in town. This is my go-to girl. And the Savory Show when we want some delicious coffee right here in Siem, Cambodia. Let's go check out the menu. Hello, brother. Suday. Very friendly here in Cambodia. Just so you guys know, this is some of the menu prices here. A very, very inexpensive Western breakfast. They've got Khmer breakfast, everything. Morning Travels recommends the club sandwich. It's tasty. It's one of my favorites. All right, let's talk about the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. How about this pool right here, guys? Let's start with that. Part of what I like about this place and the good is this beautiful, very cozy pool here. And not only that, the menu prices are dirt cheap. Most things are $2 or less. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 50-cent draft beers all the time. Half-price cocktails, 2-for-1 specials. Wow, the list goes on and on. Another thing that I really like about this place that's excellent and very good is the room prices are very inexpensive. What is great about not only the low prices is it's walking distance to Pub Street. It's walking distance to Soxan Road. So if you want to go out for a nighttime, a little dancing, a little mingling with your friends or solo, you don't even need a pass app. You just literally walk. You're right in the middle of the action, but it's just off of Soxan Road. So you don't hear all the music, all the people. It's very quiet, very peaceful, and at nighttime, and this place comes alive. This is definitely the place to be. Another thing that's really good about this place that I really enjoy is, as an American, I love that elevated customer service. And here, they take that level up to the next level for customer service. You're greeted with a smile, and every time I come here, it's warm, hospitable, and I just got that warm Cambodia feeling that only you can get in Cambodia from these amazing people here. All right, let's talk about the bad, okay? For those of you guys from the West and you want an elevated room, really upscale, check out the video right here. I left of a 5-star hotel right here in Siem Reap. It will cost you more, but for those of you that are not on a budget and you don't mind spending more, this will be a great place for you. Check that out now. The other thing is that you might not like is the rooms are a little dated, but the value's there. If you're a slow traveler or if you're on a budget, this is a great place for you. Let's talk about for what it's worth. You know, Money Travels, I love bringing you guys value, even if it's more. I like giving you guys value. I like showing you guys what's available in Siem Reap. A lot of you guys want to see more elevated prices, and I've shown you a few of those now. We're back down to this one here. So for what it's worth, this place here gives you value. It gives you comfort. And you're very, very cozy when you stay here. Centrally located, location, location, location. This place has it all. So who is this best for? I would not say this is great for families, although the right kind of family it could be. This is really good for single people, younger people, or even older people like myself who want value when I travel. And this is exactly the kind of place I would stay at when I'm traveling. All right, you can book this place on Agoda and Booking.com, and I'll leave their contact information down below, as always. Facebook, as well as the links to book a room here or to inquire with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We will see you guys right down here at the Garden Village Hotel and Pool Bar.